Welcome back. I was doing a React Typescript setup and I was using a Webpack as a bundler, and when I was configuring for it I faced some problem. The problem is nothing but when we go to the package.json, and I was trying to run the Webpack file with the configured settings with the webpack.dev.config.ts file. So when I executed it, I was facing this problem as seen on screen saying type error unknown file extension .ts for webpack-dev.config.ts file. So I was searching for it and I came across a Stack Overflow page, and here I went into the TS node file and I copy paste this issue, say error unknown file extension. So it took me to the glossary page, and on clicking of the error unknown file extension, it recommended these steps, and then I stumbled upon this point where it says webpack-config.ts file, and again I opened this docs link to check that the configuration for the TS node to execute webpack config as common.js, not as ESM. So usually the webpack config, right? So it needs to be run with common.js and not with ESM. ESM means like a ECMAScript module. So whenever the config file is in TS format, it should be run with common.js format, it seems like. So I copied this settings and went into this tsconfig file and I pasted this. So I don't think this we require. So the webpack config which I am using as webpack.dev.config.js file. Yeah, and now when I try to execute it, yes, now I'm able to run the app. So that solves the issue, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you.